1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. Big up all the Monster Island massive. And beware before I triple dare you like the last kid who asked me what we don't got that you got, son. For one flow that's elementary, my dear Watson. Secondly, ever since I was little, not so much to riddle, least rhyme to the syllable. Keep tracks and make an A-rap deep clap with no hands. I chop these drums off truly yours, G-rap. Actual fact, relax. In this land of lyrical lost black, I'm not the cool sleek stack, the one who might stop and talk to you. Poison to few niggas who be biting styles I'm like pork too. Ooh, what you got to lose? Let mud fly. When I got blues, I two whole crews that's butt dry. So I ask why the stars from the cess shit be fucking with my eye as I pull it to the chest. The super motherfucking villain grip the mic with an iron hand, throwing them seeds to the fire from out the frying pan. It ain't no use in trying, man. Son, stop crying, frontin' like you deaf to find. Need to stop lying. Speak your piece only once you're spoken to first. Now let me hear your verse while I'm choking you with well refined rhymes like an editor. Throw them to my collections of skulls and spines like Predator. Fuck around, the only niggas who could hear the same sound was Jet Jaguar and James Brown. Yeah, only them. And I'm glad I took the time to write their names down just to big them up. I like to say hi, it's Sci-Fly the Odd Merlin, that's quick to whip up a script like Rod Serling. Who I on bad bitch who used to whip the Sterling. Who see God Tober, never see God Erling. My man Grimm had his little monkey like Space Ghost. Me, myself, I got flavors that outtakes most. With numb gums, some rhymers is late toast. Back to you, MF Doom, you late show host. S to the U to the P-E-R-A, who chronicle these times in a 3D horror. Thriller Pono, co-starrer in a realer drama, who break bread with stingy kinmen, Indian borrower. Lone gunman who candidly flick fly flows, single-handedly, with one eye closed. In a fly pose, no shirt, a lay may see me stack the $250,000 cash pay. That's that in a smash way. How we did it, motherfucker probably couldn't peep it past a minute. It's the squizzy scripts, the quick shit.